The 1984 Group presents the decentralized ecosystem of Utopia. Available in 29 languages. Welcome to Utopia Tutorials, a video series presented by Cryptonaut Creations. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create a new account on the cryptocurrency exchange ZG.com for the purpose of buying Krypton, CRP, and withdrawing to your personal U-Wallet account inside the Utopia software. The first step is to visit ZG.com in your favorite browser. Then click here to register a new account. When checking your email for the verification code, always make sure to check your spam folder. After successfully registering your new account, it will be necessary to set 2 security parameters in your account's page before any withdrawals can be made. The first is the asset password. The second is the two-factor authentication, labeled here as Google Authentication. The next step is to deposit funds. Go to the balance page in order to receive your unique deposit addresses. You may choose to deposit USDT directly, but make sure to select the ERC20 tab, as that is the most common type you are likely to have. Alternatively, you may choose to deposit a different cryptocurrency in your possession. Make sure to find it in the balance page in order to receive your unique deposit address. After transferring the cryptocurrency of your choice, you should receive a notification email confirming the successful deposit. If you chose to deposit anything other than USDT, you'll want to sell it now for USDT in order to be able to buy Krypton. If you wish to sell immediately, make sure to select Market Order. After selling, you should see your new USDT funds balance here. Now to purchase Krypton, type CRP into the search field and click to go to that market. You may choose to make a market buy order which will buy directly from the seller's order book in the top right, or you may choose to make a limit order which will place your asking price into the buyer's order book in the bottom right. We are going to demonstrate placing a limit order at a price of 10 cents. Notice how our limit buy order appears atop the buyer's order book. We also see it appear below in our list of open orders. Let us cancel this limit order now and demonstrate making a market buy order which will buy directly from the seller's order book at the best available price now, without having to wait. If we go down to our Trade History tab, we will see a record of the market buy order we just executed. Now if we go to our ZG.com wallet, we will see the balance of Kryptons we have just acquired. If you have not yet set your asset password or your two-factor authentication, attempting to withdraw your Kryptons will produce a window reminding you to do just that. We will now demonstrate setting these two security parameters. Now that both have been completed, we will proceed to withdrawing our newly purchased Kryptons. Your withdrawal address will be your Utopia account's public key. Go to your Utopia dashboard and click here in order to copy your public key. Now go back to the ZG.com withdrawal page and paste your public key into the withdrawal address. Make sure to click on the No Tag toggle. Now click Withdraw All to automatically select your entire balance, minus the withdrawal fee. After confirming your asset password and two-factor authentication code, you will be prompted to confirm one final email verification code. Within just a few minutes, your withdrawal request should be processed. Congratulations! At this point, you have now secured your Kryptons in your personal U-Wallet account and you are in complete control of your CRP funds. What you choose to do with your money now is entirely up to you. Welcome to the peer-to-peer ecosystem of Utopia.